Hi everyone, it's Antonio from Ningbo MH Company. MH has various fabrics. In this video, I'm showing you MH Tricot Mesh Fabric. It's made by Tricot knitting machine. Raw yarn has nylon, polyester, spandex, etc. There are various mesh fabrics like high elastic mesh, mosquito mesh, laundry mesh, luggage mesh, and hard mesh. We also have corite, embroidery, or wedding or transparent mesh, and jacquard mesh, and so on. The product can also be upgraded with post-treatment of dusting, flocking, gold foiling, and printing. It can be used for stage costumes, wedding celebrations, party decoration, and DIY, etc. MH Tricot Mesh Fabric has advantages in quick style updated in different colors, fashion, faster sampling. It can be packed in small card according to the needs to meet the DIY needs. Also with stable quality and environmental protection. Thanks for watching. For more information or more MH fabric, please contact us at below.